Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd, fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allahu ta'ala fi Surah Al-Anaam. وَكَذَلِكَ نُفَصِّلُ الْآيَاتِ وَلِتَسْتَبِينَ سَبِيلُ الْمُجْرِمِينَ. Translation: And thus we do clearly explain our verses so that the ways of the sinful criminals will be exposed. In the beginning of this ruku, we saw that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned about warning of the people, and the messengers of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala do these two main duties, that they warn people about the punishment or hereafter, and they give the glad tidings of the hereafter for the people who believe and who do good actions. And in this ruku we saw both of these things, that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has mentioned that, O Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, you warn people with the help of Quran to those who fear that they will be gathered unto their Rabb, and no, there will be no guardian nor protector besides him, and there will be no one to do intercession for them so that they may become righteous. And then we studied other topics in this ruku, that those people who are seeking the pleasure of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, even if they are poor, the Prophet should not turn away from them. And those people who are given the worldly wealth might think that they are the chosen one, and they are the successful in this dunya, and they will be the successful hereafter. But this is not the truth, because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tests some people by giving this word, and tests some people by making them poor in this world. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has the absolute wisdom, and He decides that whom He give the word and whom He does not give the worldly things. And humans must not think that they are given in this world the worldly things, so they will be successful in hereafter. Similarly, those people who are not given the world and the worldly things must not think that they will not get anything in the hereafter as well. The hereafter depends on the belief and the good deeds. The ayah that is recited today is talking about the clear message of Quran, that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has not kept the topics in any doubt, or has not hidden any information or guidance. He has given the clear guidance in the clear ayahs, and these ayahs and guidance show the ways of the sinful criminals and the attitudes of criminals. And other ayahs also mention the attitudes and the ways of the believers in the successful people. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran. Ameen. O Allah, make us among those who will be successful in hereafter. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.